What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another NASCAR diecast unboxing to get into. We got some brand new 1/64 scale diecast. We've got, I believe, over 10 brand new releases to get into. We'll take a look one at a time. Out of the box. Try to go one at a time. I have to hide the box so it can be a surprise. So let's just move the box out of the way and say hey to the cat. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and go one at a time. First up, Justin Allgaier's number 40 Traveler Whiskey from the 2025 Daytona 500. And it's got the cool box, the special box. JRM's first cup start there, Daytona 500, February 16th, 2025. 21 and up, adult collectible, 1/64 scale diecast body and chassis. So pretty cool box. Junior Motorsports Cup debut there in Daytona. So really cool to get that. So that's first out of the box. Next up, Kyle Busch 2025 Cheddar's Salutes Chevrolet. Really cool. Next, we've got a race-winning Denny Hamlin from Michigan 2025 Yahoo Toyota Camry. Pretty cool. I like the Yahoo cars every time they come to the track, so pretty nice to get a race-winning version. Even though I don't know about the red confetti on the purple car. We'll stick with Denny Hamlin next. Packing peanut on top there. Denny Hamlin, number 11 Bob's Discount Furniture Camry from the 2025 season. Although I'm pretty sure the 2026 version of this car and scheme and sponsor is the same. Raced just this weekend at Phoenix. I'm pretty sure it's the same. But this is the 2025 version. Pretty cool. Two Denny Hamlins out of the box. Back to back, we got an Xfinity Series race-winning car. Connor Zilisch, Junior Motorsports number 88, 2025 Pocono win. Chevrolet. Always a fun unboxing when you can get some Xfinity Series race-winning cars. Because Xfinity's got the coolest car design, best racing, all of it, so I love me some Xfinity. We'll stick with Xfinity while we're at it. Haas Factory Team, the 00 Ollies for Sheldon Creed. This is the Mustang for 2025. Although, of course, this year, Haas Factory Team is Chevrolet. So, this is the Mustang version from last season. Sheldon Creed. Race winner, finally, this season. Next, out of the box, we've got J.J. Yaley's number 44. Syracuse University Chevrolet. Really cool to get J.J. Yaley here, the 44 car. Really nice to get. Let's see what else we got in the box. Getting down to it. Ooh. Chris Buescher's number 17 Cinnamon Toast Crunch for RFK 2025 season. This is one of, if not my favorite paint scheme of last season. Got to see this sucker race and almost win, maybe, in Atlanta. For the summer Atlanta race, I was there for it. Love this scheme. Cannot wait to get the 124, because I usually like to get 124s of cars I've seen in person that I really like. This classifies as a car I really like, even if I wasn't there. So, awesome to get. That's definitely my favorite out of this box. Next, we got our third Denny Hamlin of the box. King's Hawaiian, number 11. 2025 Toyota Camry. So really cool. We got FedEx leaving Hamlin like a year ago, before 2025, I think. And then we've got in the same unboxing 3 sponsors that stepped up for him in the absence. So there's 3 Hamlins. Coming up next, we've got Tyler Reddick's number 45. This is the Jordan Brand Chicago Camry for the 2025 season. So, of course, Reddick, hottest man on earth right now. Paul's in the NASCAR sphere. 3 wins to start the season. Good finish at Phoenix. Big lead in the points. Ain't nobody touching him. All right, so next up, last out of the box, another race winner here, and another Connor Zilisch winner. This is the Carolina Carports Dover Win Chevrolet from 2025. If you get an Xfinity Series raced version from 2025, there's a good chance it's a Connor Zilisch car. And that is exactly what this is. Dover, and ironically, Mr. Road Course. The 2 race winnings in here is Pocono and Dover. So, obviously, double-digit wins last season. He can get it done anywhere. So, there's the 2 from Zilisch. And then, let me see. Try to get everything out of the way, and we'll bring them all back in for one more look at it. J.J. Yaley. We got the Justin Allgaier with the really cool box. We got Kyle Busch. Let's see. Another Xfinity car there. Creed. We've got Reddick. This bad boy, I'm waiting. Then we got the 3 Denny Hamlins, all 3 different sponsors. Pretty cool, of course. And then up front and center, we're going to put this puppy because I absolutely love it. Probably my favorite scheme of last year. Now it's my favorite diecast of 2025 so far. And there they all are. Can't get over that. Can't wait to get to 124. So if you wouldn't mind, like this video, leave a comment on which diecast in this unboxing you like the best or what you look forward to in the future. Subscribe for more. And thanks for checking this one out. I'll catch you in the next one.